I am super stoked to check out this wireless IP camera, mainly because of the size of it, and I wanted something that was small and discreet. So no drilling, easy mounting, 2K low light sensor. Even in low light situation, this camera still picks up. Look at that, f1.0 super large aperture, wide angle lens, full color night vision, vehicle detection, person detection, and dual band Wi-Fi. That has everything I need. Let's see what comes inside the box. All right, we have a manual. Oh, it is hook and loop. Easy. Here's the charger. We have some hooks. Over here we have a USB-C cable. And the actual device itself. microSD slot, simple little camera on the front, wireless IP camera model C680, and on the bottom here we have the USB-C plug. This here is your power block, USB-A to USB-C cable. Oh, it's nice and long too. And these mounting clips are for the USB cable. I think I'm gonna mount it on this window right here so we can keep an eye in the backyard. That should work right about there. Now the first thing you need to do is insert a micro SD card in here. It does not include one. Now looking at the front, you'll see it has a roughly textured area right here. And that is for the hook and loop style mounting bracket right here to connect. So it does include two. It includes one that's a bit more form-fitting and includes a slightly larger one as well. I'm just gonna go with this one right here today because it fits in there so nicely. So that's called hook and loop, and you can see it just attaches like that. Once you attach it to the window, we'll attach the power cord. There is also an app that you can use for this. The app is called Zosi. Now when it comes to installing the app, you'll see that there's a barcode underneath my thumb. I can't show it or else another camera might pick it up. And that's it. You download the app and you're going to be able to add your device from there. Everything's really easily explained in the directions. Okay, it's on my network and connected. And you're peeling it off. You don't peel that part. You just peel the blue part. And that's it. It's attached and it's removable. I just put that on there so I don't want to rip off the adhesive. But since it does come with two, you can put them in different windows so you can watch different areas. Right now I'm going to let it sit in the back so I can watch my birds. Now where this camera really shines is its night vision. Now just give you an idea of what it looks like from my phone. There's the camera there. And this is an iPhone 17. So you figure that camera itself, the security camera, has a brighter look outside than I do on my iPhone. It does have motion detection. It can determine who are people and who are cars, but where it really shines is how well it works at night. This camera can support up to a 256 gig micro SD card. Now it does require the app for the initial Wi-Fi setup, otherwise it can't connect to the network. But you can use the camera without a subscription. A subscription is only needed if users choose to enable cloud storage. And that's it. That's how easy it is to install. If I can do it, you can do it. So what's stopping you from getting it? Now I would like to thank the brand for sending this to me in exchange for a fair and honest review. No money was exchanged in regards to this. If you do decide to purchase it, I will receive a small commission on the product sale. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.